Yes, ma'am, up here. Number 6. Let's take a look at number 6. All right. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to remember, if you don't remember how many pounds is in 1 ounce, I want you to look up in your iPad. Close. Not 18, but
16.
yeah, 16 ounces is to 1 pound. You with me on that? So if I have 6 pounds, then I have 96 ounces. All right. And then again, you can reduce that on your calculator, 96 over 256. Everybody practice typing that in, 950 or 96 ABC 256, and it should reduce it down to 3/8 point. All right. Anybody having any issues? Good. All right, here we go. Let's take a quick look at 45. All right, yeah. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to erase these because I did them with my last class because they're having trouble. But let's talk about it, okay? All right. Everybody, this is important now, 45. All right. Jensen, you guys, I want you quiet now. I want you paying attention up here. All right, especially on these conversions right here. I do not expect you to know how many centimeters in an inch. But here's how I'm going to try to show you. All right. If I have 19 inches, I need to figure out what 1 inch is approximately how many centimeters. So you look that up in your iPad right now. 1 inch is how many centimeters? And I think it was what? Yeah, I think it's 2.54. So 1 inch is the same as 2.54 centimeters. All right, and all that is just looking it up. Now, I tried to explain something important right now. Some kids were getting things backwards. If you have 19 inches, you need to find out how many 1 inch is. All right? And then once you have that, it's just a matter of multiplying. 19 times 2.54. All right? And that worked out to be how much? Sorry. Yes, 48.26. All right, thank you. Tucker, what?
If you go to one of the 6 through 10, it's the conversion. Unless you want to do that.
We just did 6.
No, I'm not saying specifically over 6. I just want to.
I don't want to. I want to know what you're having trouble with. You said 6 through 10, and I said we just did 6. So I want to know what you're having trouble with.
Yeah, 9, 10, and 9.
Okay. So you need to look up how many cups in a pint.
2 cups in a pint.
Right. So if I have 64 cups, how many pints do I have? I'm sorry, if I have, I think you said it backwards. How many cups in a pint?
2.
2 cups in 1 pint. So if I have 50 pints, I have how many cups? No. Tucker, tell me the relationship between a cup and a pint. 2 cups is equal to 1 pint. So now what would you like me to do? I have 64 cups and I have 50 pints. What would you like me to do?
So what you do is 2. All that it would be.
I have no idea what you just said. Look right here. 1 pint is equal to what?
Oh, it's 32. 32.
Come on. Here's how I want you to think about it now. This represents 1 pint. In here, there are what? 2 cups. So for every 1 pint, there are 2 cups.
So you do 50 times 2.
That's what I'm telling you. So now I have what? 64 cups to what? 100 cups. And then what do I do? Right, to what? Thank you. Yes, ma'am. All right, let's everybody take a look at 35. Very, very important problem here too. All right, so let's just look at it again. All right, I'm going 60 miles per hour, right? But I want to know kilometers per hour. So I got to figure out that 1 mile is equal to how many kilometers? Do you see that? So tell me 1 mile is how many kilometers? Everybody should be looking it up. Tell me. Beautiful. All right. So if I have 60 miles, how do I figure out how many kilometers? Yes, that's exactly right. That makes sense, right? Okay, good job. Sienna. 30? Good for you. Let's go back to 30. All right. Now, percent. Can you tell me what percent means? Nope. Percent. Percent just means to do what? Divided by 100. Everybody agree? Per means divided by 100. So cent means 100. So literally all we're doing is we're dividing by 100. Okay, so tell me what that is. Use your calculator. 12 and 16 25ths divided by 100. Sean, I'm working hard up here. What is it? Is that correct, guys?
Yes, but on your
What's correct? I don't know. Is that correct then? Thank you, Santa. So that's correction then. Everybody go to 30. Go to the answer key so you're not confused. 30, let's cross that out. Thank you, Santa. So what is that? What was the answer now? Tell me again. 79 over 625. Okay, thank you for that. That was important. All right. Somebody else on work. Mr. Caruso, you have nothing? I did such a great job that you know how to do everything on here. Say yes, I'm happy. Yeah, all right, I'll pat myself on the back, man. Thank you. Anybody else feels confident as Mr. Caruso? Everything is good. No one has a question. All of these problems we can do. Come on, I didn't do that good a job this week now.
not bad.
Not bad, right? But, all right, thanks. All right, Mr. Caruso, let's let you get in here. Is not a number. Okay, let's check. 12. Let's find out about number 12. Yeah. Now again, it's dollars per can. So you're just literally taking, yeah, 460 divided by 5. What does that come out to be? Thank you. 92 cents per can. And that's it. Okay? Somebody else. Yes, ma'am. No. No, listen. It's really, truly right on your iPad. You looking on that? I don't want you fumbling through that. I want you to just type it in and spit it right out. If you don't know, if you're having trouble about now, let me help you. All right, so let's look at 37 so I can make sure you're doing it correct, okay? So let's look at 37. Oh, yeah, 37 is a good one. Is that one you want? 37 is a good one now. All right, I really like 37, so I want everybody to pay attention now. All right. So it's 3 burritos cost $22.50. So how much would 1 burrito cost? What? Yay, $22.50 divided by 3. That's right. So you would write $7.50 per burrito. Do you agree with that? So now let's say you bought 7. How much should it cost? Yes, ma'am. Is that the correct answer? Yeah, because it says it would cost $51.50. Not. You won the one that's not.
Oh.
That's annoying, right? Very annoying. So you got to read carefully. All right. Yes, sir. Bless you. So we want help with 29. So let's knock out 29. So 6 2/3%. What does percent mean? Yes. So we just divide that by 100. So do that on your calculator and tell me what that comes down to. That's it, buddy. Good for you. Just, I just want to know a number.
I don't have a. It's like, so when I do that, it gets me like a number, like a fraction.
So hit fraction to decimal.
Okay.
Right on your calculator, there's an FD button.
Yeah, I can do that.
Yes, most definitely. Here we go. 38. Probably not. Okay, that was a hard one. All right, here we go. Okay, listen to me. It's another really important one. Watch. It says miles per hour. So what am I doing?
Dividing.
Right. So that means take the miles and divide it by the hours.
Okay.
So how many miles do we have?
4 and 2 6.
That's right. And then we divide it by the
Hour.
which is,
1.
tell me what that is. What is it?
8 and 4 6.
Yes, 8 4/5. That makes sense, right?
Yeah.
Miles per hour. Miles divided by hours. Someone else? Yes.
For number 29, we got 1
You got what? For which one? All right, so maybe I'm wrong. Do it again. 6 2/3 divided by 100. You see it now? Right. Okay, good. Come on, somebody else. Xavier, I've done a fantastic job for you this week. That's an automatic yes, Xavier.
No.
That's an automatic yes, Xavier. You have any questions?
It sounds like pleading, like, yes, please say yes.
Xavier, you're all good? Anybody? Actually, what?
18.
All right, actually, let's see if I can help him out with 18.
Actually, that actually sounds actually.
Here we go. Yeah, now on this now, we want to know the amount per minute. We want to know the cost per minute. So you would take $40 and divide it by 45. Do that for me, please.
About
0.8 repeating.
yeah, which would be 0.88 cents.
Yeah, so we just say about 89 cents per minute. Do you agree with that? Right? And then I want to figure out the music maker is what? 55 per 60 minutes. So tell me what that is. point.
These are six. Repeated six.
Yeah. So let's do it 92 cents per what? Per minute. So which one is the best deal? Xavier, which one's the best deal?
The 45 minutes.
Yep. There you go. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. My question is just like kind of overall. How do you know if you want if we do the simplifying like 56 to 64,
As a fraction.
or if you want us
Listen to me. It's very easy.
divide?
Very easy. Because it's harder to compare fractions than it is to compare decimals.
No. I mean, if you want us, okay. So, would you express each ratio as a fraction, like at the top on number 1?
I don't
Here.
express each ratio as a fraction.
Right. So would that be like for the word problems? How do we know if we're doing that or if we're like?
I've just tried to tell you. So listen, so you can hear me. All right. So you could write them as fractions if you want, but it's harder to compare a fraction than it's much easier to compare a decimal.
Okay.
You agree with me?
Yeah.
So in this situation, we could reduce this fraction and we could reduce that fraction.
Okay.
Right, then you could see which one is
Right.
smaller.
But it's divide.
Yeah, it's just easier to look at the decimal. Right?
Okay.
So it has to do with what's the easiest way.
Okay.
Right?
Do you know this already?
Let's look at 34. So 300 words every 4 minutes. So how many words would that be per minute? So we'd say 75 words per minute. So is the answer A? No. What about? Well, if I can do 75 words in 1 minute, how many can I do in 2 minutes? Do that. So is that the answer? No? Yeah, see? You got that. You know this. All right, I'm happy with it.
On the test for 26 to 30, when we have to do the percent as a fraction, do you want us to just divide on our calculator? Or do you want us to do all
Calculator. The important thing is that you know what that means. Right? Percent means divided by 100. Anybody else have any other questions? Anybody else? Max, how you doing? Do you know how to do everything? Xavier, do you know how to do everything?
I'm not quite sure if I got the right
Xavier?
Yep.
Okay. Jensen?
I'm not sure if I got the right number.
Well, that's why the answers are given.
Yeah, number 23.
Well, the answer is at the bottom of the page. Yeah. But you could type that in your calculator also. 3/4 divided by 6/7. Jack, what?
I was just going to say, I'm not sure if
But you can do what? Yeah, you can check it. That's what the answer's at the bottom of the page for. All right. If you don't get the right answer, then you can tell me, and I'll be happy to do it. Jensen, were you correct?
Yeah.
What else?
I
Nothing? Okay. So again, guys, listen, the test tomorrow, all right, you're going to be coming in dressed in Halloween costumes, but we still have to take a what? We still have to take a math test, guys. All right, so you got to come in, get yourself situated, and let's take the test and get it over with. All right? You definitely need to bring what tomorrow?
calculator and iPad.
Yeah, guys, I used to have 3 extra calculators. Guess how many I have now?
0.
0, because people are borrowing them and then not putting them back. All right, that's not, you know what I mean? So if you come in tomorrow without a calculator, I can't help you. If you come without an iPad, guess what? I cannot help you. Double check. All right, make sure you have that when you leave this morning or in the morning tomorrow. All right, now it's going to be just like this for the rest of the class. You're quiet. Add another and just redo the worksheet. Everybody should redo the worksheet. If you can redo the worksheet correctly, then you'll make 100 on the test tomorrow. I'm not even putting any SAT questions on there. All right, all you have to do is just this stuff right here. All right, I want you to start out doing really well. All right, so get busy. No talking, just studying. No, nothing else on your iPad except this math work. That's it.